In this class we will know the command swept boss/base, which allows us to create solids by scanning profiles, and the command lofted boss/base, to create solids through transition between profiles. In both cases we need at least 2 sketches or faces that we can use in the selection. These commands are very important as they make it possible to create complex geometries easily. Come on, let's go. We will first look at the loft command, which allows you to create transition between profiles, for example, from a circular profile to a rectangular profile. Open the loft file, made available in the files of this class to follow. See that we have 2 sketches created, and to create the second sketch, it was necessary to create a plan. To create a plan, we use the plane tool, which can be found in the Insert, Reference Geometry, Plane menu. We select a plan as a reference, inform the distance and the plan is ready. Returning to the loft command, we click on its icon in the command manager, activating it. In the first checkbox, we select the 2 sketches and note that the preview is shown. If there are several sketches, these should always be selected in the transition order. We can also use guide curves to define more elaborate contours. Note the 2 dots in green. We can move them. But beware, if the preview is no longer shown, the geometry change is invalid and cannot be applied. We've confirmed the command and look at the solid created. Using the other available file, see that we also have 2 sketches and we will apply the sweep command. In this case, the 2 sketches must always intercept each other. We activate the command. Note the 2 checkboxes and the images displayed next to each one. In the first, we must select the profile and in the second the path through which this profile will be extended. Observe the preview. We confirm the command and have the solid created quickly and easily. We have seen in this class basic applications of the sweep and loft commands, which are very useful for developing geometries with greater degree of complexity. So these commands are worked more deeply in advanced courses.